Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote smart park assist self-parking in the brand new 2022 Kia EV6. I have in front of me here a long-range all-wheel drive with GT Line Package 2 and Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I've made up a kind of a makeshift parking spot there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the vehicle into drive. And now let's say we're ready for the vehicle to park into that spot. So I'm going to press and hold this P camera button here for a few seconds, and then it's going to come up on the screen saying searching for a parking space. So it says drive forward slowly, keeping closer to the side in which you want to park. So I'm in drive, so I'm going to go ahead and start moving the vehicle forward while it's looking for the parking spot. And it's found the parking space. So I'm gonna go ahead and come to a complete stop, and then I'm gonna select which parking type I'd like on the left here. So because that's the style of the lines, I'm gonna go ahead and select that one. And then it asks me if I wanna do the remote parking and control it from the outside, or do the smart parking and be inside the vehicle and let it park itself while I'm inside. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm gonna go ahead and use the remote parking. So it says shift into park. So I'm going to go ahead and press park. And then it wants me to leave the vehicle, but keep the smart key on me to close all the doors, and press and hold the forward or backward button on the smart key. So now I'm going to exit the vehicle. It's still on. Turn signal's even going for it to tell everybody that it's ready to park. And I'm going to go ahead and hold the down button here. And I'm going to let and its parking is now complete. So if I was done with the vehicle, then I can go ahead and lock the doors, and I can press and hold the remote start button, and that will turn off the vehicle, and now we're all done. Okay, so this time, now we found our parking spot again. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna select the parking type. So we want it to back into that spot. And this time we're gonna do just the smart parking while we're inside the car. So I'm gonna choose smart parking. Now it says take the hands off the steering wheel and then press and hold the parking/view button. And that's what this P camera button is here. So right now my hands are not on the wheel. It's indicated it wants to pull into that parking spot. So now I'm going to press and hold this button the entire time. So now, makes me fasten my seatbelt. Now with my seatbelt on, I'm gonna go ahead and choose smart parking. And again, same thing, I'm gonna take my hands off the wheel, which they are, and I'm gonna press and hold that P button again. So now it's gonna ask me to release the brake pedal. My finger is still on that camera button. And now the vehicle And that's it. It says parking completed. So now we can turn off the ignition and we can now exit the vehicle. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.